Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If I didn't already, make sure I go watch the last video I posted. Hey Patreon people, we always gotta speak to Patreon people. Show the Patreon people love. Thank you Patreon people, I love y'all the most. Thank you to the YouTube people too for getting my videos to where they, you know, get them at. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. We don't know where the fuck we're going today. Let's get into it though. Not too much talking. We don't got time for that. Get into the video. Hey, I'm made up for my first person.
Oh, you a bad bitch. I can tell you a bad bitch. Ooh.
But I'm a bad. So you insulted
you a
me?
bad bitch. Oh, my boy in my ear wants to fuck you. He said he's
I'm good. Thank you.
Hey, you.
Shut the fuck up. Oh yes, no shade. Why are you just looking? Is you cool? You got waves?
Hmm?
You got waves?
It's a good question. That's a real good question. I like good questions. No.
You need to get waves. That'd have been fire.
I just cut it off though, so like it ain't. I just cut my hair off, so.
You get the waves, you're gonna be fire like no shit. Yeah, bye little girl. Look. Get out of here. This a payphone, not a play phone.
What?
And if you ain't got no money, stay home.
Oh, I don't got money, huh?
Boy, you got $2. Wow. That's gonna do for me. Hey, Joy.
Hey.
What you doing?
Finna smoke. What you up to?
Girl, now I'm talking to these on here.
You look good.
Thank you.
You're welcome, boo. Have a good night.
You too.
Thank you.
Oh.
Good night, bro.
She probably took the cake for being the sweetest person on here, I'm not gonna lie. Shout out to Joy.
Yo, Eric.
Skip me, little.
What did I do?
You just a kid. I don't talk to kids, boo. Go to school tomorrow, okay? Or it's Friday.
Today's Friday.
I don't give a f. Go to school.
On Saturday.
Eric.
Wait. But you see all my business like that. Who the f do you work for? The police?
How you doing, baby? I work for your ass. Hold on. How you doing, baby? I ain't gonna care. You kind of fine.
Well,
that is not fat.
it is fat. Let me see him. Let me see him.
That's flat.
You the head. Ew.
Nah, I'm joking. Hey, I'm joking. Look, baby, look. It's just me talking. I was with you every for real.
Let me see what you got under that do-rag.
Nah. That's it for later.
Yeah, I'm cool. Thank you. Your name Curtis?
What about me?
Your name Curtis?
My name is Curtis.
Oh, I don't like you.
Ma'am.
I already don't like you.
You don't like me? Hold on.
Stop trying to skip me. He mad as yeah.
Hold on. Wait. You don't like me? Your ass, huh? I'll your ass.
I'm scared of you, bro. Later, boy, with the red.
Nah, hold on, baby. Baby, hold on.
Sorry.
Y'all look funny
Sorry.
on hood.
Yo, hood.
What?
Yo, hood.
Hey.
Yo, hood.
Let me talk to you. Why? What turned you to be like that? What turned you to be?
Sorry. Me and Convo. God. Wait, do it again. Hey.
My man gave me this.
Girl,
Ooh.
your man gave you that.
No.
What you say about Nicki?
It's right there. Oh, you pretty.
Thank you. Y'all pretty. Make sure y'all stay in school and don't be worrying about no boys, okay? Because they little boys. They'll be there always.
Always. Yep.
What the? He need to go be in gymnastics since he want to flip on balls and shit.
Yeah. Girl, I can't tell.
I'm
What's the dude named Eric? You're what?
swerve, boo.
What makes you tell? Hey, I support. I support.
No, you don't. Because you just said all that shit in the front. No, you didn't. Shut up.
What makes you turn?
Yo, daddy. Swear.
Oh, what's up, bro?
What's up? What the fuck are you doing?
I'm chilling.
Skip me for you piss me off. I'm not playing.
How? What do I do?
Why is you in the bed from my monkey?
I'm not in the bathroom. It's not my bathroom. I'm actually sitting on my shower.
So ain't... Spend every dollar on the shaya. Could do trick. Oh, I'm gonna rip it. Like it's too much. Y'all heard that? We got on pink today. We got the Nicki shirt on. We got pink on pink on pink for Nicki. Duh. We gonna fuck with the queen so we can't fuck with the queen. We gonna fuck with the queen so we can't fuck with the queen no more. Okay. Hi.
Hey, Eric.
Hey, girl.
Look, tea.
Thank you. Lil Zay, bye.
What the? Wait, you said what?
Lil Zay, bye.
You know what?
Wow.
I got somebody for you, bro.
No, you don't got nobody for me, boo. Go to jail or hell.
Did you say no? Did you say no? To the wolves because he going to sleep with the wolves. Are you going to sleep? Put this bag on it. I'm going to slide it in. He's loving it. This nigga with his butter and a bro. He's dead.
I don't give a f. Wow.
Alright.
Yeah. And fighting me.
Yo, gang, he said he's trying to get put on.
No, he not. He like he's 12, boo. Skip.
No, he not. He your age. He 21. He said he trying to replace your lipstick with his.
I want yours. Shut up.
Oh.
Oh, no shade.
No.
I do. No shade. I do.
No.
And your teeth look perfect.
No.
Let me see if I can get.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Yo, how you doing, bro?
How do you do it? How you be taking all that? I mean, all that.
No, you right.
No.
Right. All that. Chris, swerve. Are you okay? I don't do coke, but I don't judge, boo. Your shirt drunk. Take that shirt off. You got a nightgown on? Okay, later.
Yapping shit made me lose, bro. Shut the fuck up.
I'm sorry, little daddy. I didn't know you was playing a game. You just said that.
Alright, bro. Don't be doing none of that shit. It's just weird.
Shut up.
That's bro.
I don't give a. Shut up. Next.
What's up?
Next.
Mac. Bro, you
Next. Skip me.
gay? You. What the
I'm gonna show you where they get you. Slim me.
He's ugly as oh. Hey.
Hi, Barbs.
Like that thing. Oh, girl, your t-shirt.
You like it?
Who is that creature?
Your mom. Why are y'all so far? And I know he not rolling up.
Yeah.
Little boy. I don't give a f. You.
Stop fighting.
Okay. Period.
How you doing?
Good. How you doing? Where you at?
You look good. I'm
Thank you.
outside right now.
Oh, you do too. That's nice. Hey, Poppy.
Hey, Rick.
Hi.
So that's that. Hey, man, how you doing?
I'm doing good.
Good, Nicki Minaj fan?
Barb, actually.
Got you. All right, bro. Good luck with that.
I'm doing good. Just smoke weed. Bye.
I can't skip, bro.
I got you. Just spend every dollar on this yaya.
Hey, Nicki Minaj. How's
Hi.
it going?
Hi, Barb.
Dude, what you doing? Are you good?
I don't know why I keep skipping. Hey. Slap on my knob.
My corn on the car. Check in with me. And do your job. Wait on that bed.
Y'all look a ass, all three of y'all.
And so do you.
Eric.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Hey, how old are you?
I'm in my early 20s, so
Look,
you... What's going on with you?
He like that.
Watch, I'm not, bro.
Calm the
I
f***
like
down.
girls. I don't like GIRLS. I like girls.
It don't matter what you like. You young as f***, so he shouldn't even be in the background standing up with his little dirty
He talking to you.
phone.
Ooh,
Later, Mir.
appreciate.
I had to read him for him.
Just like your friend do. So, I'm in the cut with all my bitches. This shit over the load.
Holy loaded! Hello.
No, Marcus. Hey, girl. Hey, Eric.
Go to school on Monday, okay?
No, we don't got school.
Spring break. Who that? We love dreadheads, no shade. Hey. Later. They just turn me up, no shade. They turn me up, like, I'm in the club with all overly loaded.
What the fuck? No.
Watch your mouth, little bitch. You talking to grown up.
Fries mud.
School, bitch. Skip me, girl. Skip me. I never said her, girl. I got nothing to say. Hello? Oh, I know he was going. Hey, Nick.
You good?
What you mean?
You look good though, I'm not gonna lie.
Thank you. That's real.
It is real. I'm fucking it. Come on now. Let me see something, shake something now.
Put your face on the camera. Let me see you. Told you can Philly BDL.
That was a good one.
Hey,
Ooh,
pretty.
Nikki.
Hey. Period, y'all. I'm in the club with all my shit. Overly loaded. That's my shit. Hello?
Hello.
What you doing?
Just to my front yard.
Mm.
Oh, another cup.
Thank you. I got off TikTok.
Hey.
Shout out TikTok shop.
Hey, TikTok
Thank
shop.
you. Making her a promo. She gonna be in a promo. Hey,
Bro,
KJ.
get your off my screen.
I would've f***ed you. I would've f***ed you.
Well, another. Oh. Bro.
Yeah. That really is sad. Like, why that shit? Like, why that shit sad, though?
What you talking about?
My Hey.
Now I know what's up.
He do tricks like voila.
Back. I am not.
Big little bitch and she got some good yeah. Hey, period.